In today's video, I'm going to teach you n8n tutorial, build your first AI agent. By the end, you'll have a simple conversational agent running inside n8n, ready to respond to messages and remember context. I'll walk you through each piece so it's clear why you're doing it and how to avoid common pitfalls. Start by opening your n8n instance and heading to the workflows area. This is your canvas for building automations. Create a new empty workflow so you have a clean starting point. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Staying organized will save you time as your projects grow. Next, add a chat trigger. This trigger lets you talk to the agent directly from the n8n interface while you're building and testing. Drop it onto the canvas and keep it as the first node. You'll use this interface to send messages and see how your agent responds, which makes debugging fast and visual. Now add the AI agent node and connect it to the chat trigger. The connection ensures whatever you type into the trigger flows into the agent, and the agent's reply flows back out. If the nodes aren't connected, your messages won't reach the model, so make sure you see a clean line between them. Inside the AI agent node, choose a chat model provider such as OpenAI, Gemini, or Grok, and link your credentials using n8n's credentials manager. Store secrets securely and never paste them directly into prompts. Pick a model that fits your needs. Faster models are great for quick replies, while larger models can handle more nuanced instructions. If you're unsure, start with a balanced general purpose model and refine from there. Keep in mind token limits and costs. Long conversations and large outputs consume more usage. Add memory so your agent can remember the conversation. Select a window buffer memory and decide how many recent messages to keep. A small window keeps responses snappy and cost efficient. A slightly larger window helps the agent maintain context across multi-turn chats. Tune this number based on how long your typical conversations are. Provide clear instructions in the agent node. Define the role and tasks like you are a customer service assistant, and include tone, formatting preferences, and boundaries. The more specific and concise your guidance, the more consistent the replies. Think of this as the agent's operating manual. Finally, test the workflow. Click Run, send a greeting in the chat trigger, and review the AI agent's output. Ask a follow-up that refers to earlier context to confirm memory is working. If something feels off, adjust the prompt, switch models, or tweak the memory window, then test again. That's it. You've built your first AI agent in n8n.